So today I'm back in the music room and a little speaker repair going on. We've got a dust cap that needs to go back over the voice coil of this speaker right here. What I've done is I've already cleaned off the adhesive and some of the tape that was on here previously. It looked like, you know, maybe a previous repair had been attempted, but wasn't successful. Today I'm going to use KWIK. This dries in approximately about 4 hours. Setup time's pretty quick. It's a 2-part epoxy resin. I usually have pretty good luck with JB Weld. That is a product of JB Weld. And, you know, this should work out. What I'm going to do first is just tape the speaker off so that we've got a nice ring around it. I'm going to drop the dust cap in there after the speaker's taped off. I'm going to put the KWIK and then press this in there. Of course, at the same time, trying to use a tool, whether I use this, the back of this, or the rounded edge, and I'm going to tool it around this edge to make it nice and clean, and then pull the tape off before the KWIK dries. The reason for this is voice coils are very much like pistons to an engine. You do not want to get dust and any particles in there that will scratch the inside of the hone. So that's the reason for the dust cap that you see usually on a speaker, is to protect the center piston so that it can drive back and forth on the voice coil. So let's get to this fix and see if we can't repair the speaker.
How I feel about you, I think I never found that easy to do. Things that you do don't need to be heard. You know your actions, baby, speak louder than words. I've got the bottle, bring me your cup, pop the cork and try your son. When you're empty, I'll fill you up. We'll drink it down till the sun comes up. I'm heading home like a steaming chain, put to the floor in the driving rain. My head is aching and my mouth is dry. I've got a thirsty, only you can satisfy. I've got the bottle, bring me your cup, pop the cork and try the sun. When you're empty, I'll fill you up. We'll drink it down till the sun comes up. I've got the bottle, bring me a cup, pop the cork and try the sun. When you're empty, I'll fill you up. We'll drink it down till the sun comes up. I'm heading home like a steaming chain, put to the floor in the driving rain. My head is aching and my mouth is dry. I've got a thirst that only you can satisfy. I've got the bottle, bring me a cup, pop the cork and try the sun. When you're empty, I'll fill you up. We'll drink it down till the sun comes up. I've got the bottle, bring me a cup, pop the cork and try bottle, bring me a cup, pop the bucket jars. When you're emptied out, fill your world, we'll drink it down till the sun comes up. I've got the bottle, bring me a cup, pop the bucket jars. When you're emptied out, fill your world, we'll drink it down till the sun comes up.
Become in love, baby. I don't mean no, baby. You know you drive me crazy, sexy lady. Become a watch upon it, making you love my honey. You make my day so sunny, my sweet honey. I want to kiss you, baby. Me want to squeeze you on it, me want to caress you, darling. You're my lady. Me want to please you, honey. Don't try to tease me, baby. Me want to love it, honey. Want my loving. Climb up on top, my lady. Please don't stop, my baby. I'm like a rat, my
good. Everything came out the way we would like. It's fixed.